In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify emails on Hunter.io email finder. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you have any email you have obtained or any lead that you have obtained from any company and you wish to verify the authenticity or validity of that email, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead, log into your Hunter.io and then go to verifier. Now under this we have email verifier. Go ahead and just enter the email address and then just click on verify. So if I tap on verify, you can see now this has been identified as a valid email with 100%, and you can see below it this email can be used safely. So if the email doesn't pass this verification or verification checker, then it might not be safe and therefore you have to take caution. So that's how you can verify emails on Hunter.io. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.